and boom.
Why not? On the right, bust another rap. Okay. On the right, bust another rap. Okay.
Here's the 3 colors I got. This one's Glit. This is like their most popular one. Peachy. And Galactica. This is the one I'm gonna be using. Step by step how to use it. This is what Galactica looks like. So, what I've learned is you need a piece of paper because the glitter does get a tad bit messy. And it comes with this gloss bond with the sponges on the side. Make sure your lips are dry. Open up the glitter. Put it on your piece of paper. You're gonna grab your gloss bond or your glitter. And you're basically gonna do one lip at a time. Oh shit. Sponge, you're gonna go ahead and grab the glitter. Oh, it's all tacky. Okay, now you guys could see a little better. Go ahead and grab your gloss bond again. I'm gonna go ahead and use the camera as a mirror. If my boyfriend was to walk in this room right now, he'd be like, what the hell are you doing? The struggle be real. I need to set up, like, find a good setup. I'm just making sure it's all coated. Ooh. Then with the same little brush on the other side, you're gonna go ahead and brush it off. I kind of messed up on the glue right here. So actually, a good tip is maybe you should line up your lips first and then put the glue on. But let me show you the fallout. So I just conserve. Ooh, this will be bomb as eyeshadow. Ooh. This is Galactica, guys. Lick it, lick it. And boom. I'm really excited to use